prime time news this evening, Advantage PNP. RJ Arglino Don Anderson poll shows opposition ahead of the ruling JLP. It's normal at this time. The Ministry of Health responds to overcrowding at hospitals. And later, Clarendon community rocked by quadruple murder.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, the World Bank has upgraded Jamaica's economic outlook for this year, so we'll have that and some more changes at the National Commercial Bank, NCB, so I'll have those details a little later on. Of course, gas prices, so much happening in business this evening, so all that later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown, what's coming up in Primetime Sports?
Thank you, Archie. Well, hear this. Now, a future men's FIFA World Cup is to be held in 6 different countries and on 3 different continents. We'll tell you about that a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
So this evening we're asking, what changes have you made around your home to protect you and your family from the threat of dengue?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail after the break.